All right, this is the yawn process. It's a healing yawn process that I developed and found when I was working on a client, and the guides just kind of brought it through, and it has been so blissful ever since. Every time I'm ever having a hard time or needing to ground myself or release a big amount of energy, this yawn process has saved me. So when I say it, I always begin yawning right away. So I want you to just bring in yourself.
Watch the light around me as I welcome this process. Same is occurring within and around you. I can't make this stuff
Bring that yawn and get the yawn as the highest you could get it. Opening that heart, that crown, and that throat chakra all at the same time. You're gonna let the breath out. Go right back into that yawn. Keep the yawn mouth. Right back into it. Just let the breath out again. Go right back into that yawn. You're gonna do this about 6 times minimum. The more you do it, the more it moves, the more you process. And I promise you, you will get to a point to where it's an orgasmic experience because of the amount of release that you're experiencing. I can follow for more tips. And no, we got this. I love you. Lots of water, and enjoy your day, creating a great, big, beautiful experience for yourself.